It's a 3D lion. Waiting for that Pac-Man to like waka 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 waka. It says plastic sucks. Yeah. They choke and die just like us. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is more of a product kind of video. So I'm doing a kind of like, it's another kind of series. I did a series, I did a video that was, you know, product videos like the skateboard one and the Lego one. So it's just about like how we can rethink or reimagine, you know, products, and that's where that fits in, because I don't know, I like the idea of like, you know, things that are not really supposed to be what they're supposed to be, if that makes sense. But in a helpful way, not like that should be like that, like in a helpful way that helps people like that. This is why it's called Reimagine by Designs, guys, by KTO Designs. Like that, you know, the clue is in the reimagine. So in today's video, we're going to be unpackaging, can't say unboxing, we're unpackaging because it's not a box, something that I got today. It's from, I think I know what it's from BBC Earth, and these are like clothing that they're starting to sell, and it's related to, you know, animals, like whatever's related to Earth. They've got like, you know, different like designs that's related to like animals and plants and sea creatures and all that kind of thing. And you know, the people that, you know, run the clothing is like, it's all sustainable. Like the materials is from like sustainable cotton, and where it gets manufactured, it's in a sort of energy saving like factory. So it's all around a very sustainable company. So let's open it up and yeah, see what we have here. First of all, let's just do a quick like thing. So even like everything is sustainable, like down to even the packaging. I don't know if you can see like the cool illustrations here, and it's just like, yeah, with like, it's quite good that they don't just give you like a brown package. You're like, hey, here it is. But there's actual like detail, and it's like not very often you get people that are, you can see. Oh, yeah, there's not very often you see like companies with like packagings like this, and it says, you can see, it says plastic sucks. Yeah, plastic sucks. And yeah, it's just, I think it's made from like recycled paper as well. But you know what, I'm gonna keep this somehow. Like I'm gonna try not to rip it. I just want to say that every time you buy a piece of clothing on the site, it's very, all these like things are always like really good to help you like learn and educate yourself. So every time you sort of go through like the site, there's always like a little blurb. So if you're buying like a tiger shirt, it'll say things about like what the tiger is, you know, like it's got like a body span of like 35 like meters or something, or it runs a certain distance or something, like so it gives you like facts. So I think that's quite good as well. So not only are you buying like a t-shirt, it's actually saying like, you know, what is it, like, you know, why is it so special? And so you're not just reading like, okay, boring size, like it's a medium, it's 3x2 shoulder length, okay, like it's totally like not like that, it's not corporate like that. So that's why I like the website. So, you know, it's always good for like looking at ways that you can, if you run a t-shirt business, then maybe that's something that you could consider, you know, have like a sort of process or background. I think that's always nice for the reader to feel like, you know, what I'm wearing is special, and then you have a bit more knowledge. So my first item, I got like a t-shirt, and it has like man rays on it, little, or man rays, I keep saying man rays, stingrays. And I like this t-shirt because it looks very like 80s, but it's also about symbolizing, you know, don't put plastic in the ocean. And you can see how much plastic that is actually in the ocean. So they put like things like bottles of like water bottles and detergent bottles and bleach bottles and plastic forks and, you know, beer cans. So yeah, I mean, it looks colourful now, but you know, that's the reality, guys. Don't fling your shit in the river. It kind of reminds me of like Pac-Man a little bit. He's just like waiting for that Pac-Man to like waka 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 kind of thing. But yeah, like you guys are Pac-Man, you can do that. But also the Pac-Man could also be like fish, and they can gobble that up. So fish do not digest it, and they're not your, fish will eat it up and it'll poop it out, it'll be organic. No, that is not the right attitude, mister. No, or Mrs. or whoever you are. They choke and die, just like us. Second item I got, it's a 3D lion. And it's really, it's good quality, by the way, guys. It's like thin, but it's like, it's not like, you know, pre-marked China thin. It's like breathable thin, and it's good. It's soft on your skin. So I love the colors on this. It's just also like the sort of print on it. It's just kind of like rubbery kind of thing, and it just feels nice. Like sometimes when you get t-shirts, when they print it, it's like you can feel like it feels like an actual sticker. You just want to peel it off, but this is just like nice, and like, you know, it's just nice. And yeah, again, like when you get this, there's like a wee fact before you like purchase it about like what the tiger is and how important it is and all that kind of things. And yeah, it's really good to learn, guys. It even says on the thing, wash cool and hang dry. So if people don't know how to do laundry, now you do. This one, the next one I have is like a t-shirt that, I don't know, it reminds me of like kind of hipster type, I don't know, like, you know when you go to like rock concerts or you see like wee emos, I don't know, like it reminds me of like band shirts. That's what I'm trying to think about, band shirts, like and so yeah, so you have here, it says the Dynasty kind of collection. They've got like a wee collection going on now, and they've got, it seems like a gorilla, I want to say a penguin, but it kind of looks like a seagull, and then bear and a tiger and a lion, I think. But it looks really cool. I can imagine how cool it'd be on, and it's like nice and purple, and yeah, just generally looks really, really cool. And then I got, so this is the sort of short sleeve version. I got a kind of like long sleeve version of it, but not of the same one, but just like a different kind of thing. This is a kangaroo, so I thought this was quite cool as well. It's like a long sleeve one, and yeah, kangaroo. It's this kind of like plastic, shiny plastic kind of, or rubbery kind of thing, but it's kind of like sustainable, and it's just, yeah, and it's quite good because it's like, you can, I mean, like, it might not like come apart, but it would still look cool even if it did like rub off, because of just the design. But it's a good material. Like, it's like, it feels, what I can describe this type of material is like, see when you went to school and you had those like school like jumpers, it reminds me of that. Like that's how good the material is. Like, you know, you got your, I don't know, your secondary school, your primary school jumper that you got, your uniform, that's like that. But that's what, imagine this was your uniform to go to school. How emo would you be? Save the planets. No, but yeah, this is called the Rebel, and actually they describe it on the site why it's called the Rebel, and they say the family treachery is centered to Black Tip's story. The rebellious risk-taking painted wolf roams. What's a wolf? I'm sorry, it's not a kangaroo. It's a wolf. It roams the floodplains and the forests in Mana, and the Mana Pools, northern Zimbabwe, leading to an intimidated pack of 30. But the group has become so huge that the alpha female needs more territory, and she's prepared to make tough choices when it comes to feeding her growing family. The Black Tips tops is perfect for the rebels in your family. But I don't know, it's, so yeah, now we know what this is. I honestly thought it was kangaroo, but now it's a wolf, so now we know, and that's something new that we can learn. So yeah, that just shows you, the power of the internet, the power of the shop, the power of everything. We have the power. And it's very empowering generally, like, you know, this is a rebel, you're a rebel. I don't know, it's really good. So that was my quick unpackaging. Hopefully you guys have learned something. I know that I have. and I'm going to be wearing this because I also like to support the planet. And I'm going to have another type of unboxing, hopefully. I'm going to do some jewellery, and it's going to be around the theme of sustainability. So looking forward to that. And you know, hopefully you guys have a good day. So they've got some videos here to my left, and they're going to be videos, you know, you've got the Design 101, I did a new, we've got some, you know, designer highlight, and we also have to my other right, I don't know, your left, like unboxing or product videos for you guys, sorry. So yeah, hopefully you guys have a good rest of the week, and I will see you next week. Stay creative, stay imaginative, stay innovative, help people and reimagine. Okay, bye.